Good day, ma'am. I'm Joshua Stubias. My report for this day is about the environment of marketing channels. Environment of marketing channels refers to external factors that influence business distribution strategies, including economic, technological, political, social, competitive, supplier, and customer factors. This environment is dynamic, complex, uncertain, independent, and global. Introduction. In the ever-evolving landscape of businesses, the environment of marketing channels stands as a testament to the complexity and dynamism of organizations must navigate to ensure the effectiveness distribution of their products and services. This report delves into the multifaceted external factors that influence distribution strategies, shedding light on the economic, technological, political, social, competitive, supplier, and customer dimensions. Each of these factors plays a crucial role in shaping the ways in which businesses reach their target markets, necessitating a nuanced understanding for strategic success. The number one factor is the economic factors. Economic factors or the economic environment serve as the bedrock upon which marketing channels are built and operated. It encompasses the broader economy's health, including aspects such as inflation rates, unemployment levels, and consumer purchasing power. Fluctuations in these economic indicators can significantly impact consumer demand and all-over effectiveness of a distribution strategy. Businesses must remain agile, adapting their approaches in response to economic shifts to maintain a competitive edge and ensure the efficient allocation of resources. And the second one factor is the technological factors. It talks about technology stands as a pivotal force defining the landscape of marketing channels. Innovation in communication, logistics, and information management have opened new avenues for product distribution, from e-commerce platforms to sophisticated supply chain management software. The rapid pace of technological change demands that businesses stay informed and adaptable, leveraging emerging tools to enhance their distribution efficiency and reach. And the third factor is the political factor, which is it encompasses laws, regulations, and government policies, exerts a significant influence of marketing channels, regulatory frameworks governing trade, consumer protection, and environmental standards can directly impact distribution strategies, necessitating compliance and strategic adjustments. Moreover, political stability and international relations also play a role, affecting market access and the stability to supply chain on the global scale.
Good day, ma'am. I am John Christian J. Agodera from Group 1. Social factors. Social trends and cultural shifts profoundly influence consumer preferences and behaviors, thereby affecting marketing channels. Changes in lifestyle, demographics, and values can alter demand patterns, pushing business to adapt their distribution strategies to align with evolving consumer expectations. Understanding this social dynamic is crucial for business aiming to connect with their audience in meaningful ways. Competitive factors. The competitive landscape is the key determinant of effectiveness of marketing channel. Businesses must constantly monitor their competitors' strategies, including distribution channels, to identify opportunities and threats. The aim is to differentiate their offerings and create value in ways that are not easily replicated ensuring a unique market position and sustainable competitive advantage. Supplier and customer factors. Suppliers and customers form the critical endpoints of marketing channels, influencing their design and efficiency. Relationships with suppliers affect the reliability and cost of inputs, while customer needs feedback inform the distribution strategies, effectiveness, and evolution. Engaging with these stakeholders through collaborative practices and responsive strategies is essential for optimizing the distribution process and enhancing value creation. Conclusion. The environment of marketing channels is a complex and dynamic domain, shaped by constellation of external factors. Businesses seeking to navigate this landscape successfully must cultivate a deep understanding of these influences and demonstrate agility in their strategic responses. By doing so, they can enhance their distribution effectiveness for sustainable competitive advantage and ultimately achieve their market objectives in the face for uncertainty and change.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Junmar C. Dumaog from Group 1. This is my assigned topic, competitive environment. A competitive environment is where different businesses compete by using various promotional strategies, marketing channels, and pricing methods within a given market. Global scope. The global scope is the scope that contains and visible in all other scope. There are four types of competition. First, intertype competition. Second, vertical competition. Third, channel system competition. And last, horizontal competition. Intertype competition pits retailers of different type against one another, such as grocery stores selling greeting cards compete with stores like Hallmark. Second, vertical competition is when companies compete with each other at different stages of making product. For example, a company that makes cars parts might compete with another company that makes cars. This type of competition is called vertical because it happens up and down the supply chain. Third is channel system competition, when a complete channel system is in competition with another channel system. They are more organized and cohesive, and all the group come together, manufacturer, wholesaler, and retailer, and fight with each other. The horizontal competition, the rivalry to gain customer preference among entities at the same level, such as competition among competing wholesaler or competing retailers. The socio- sociocultural development refers to a wide array of societal and cultural influences that impact thoughts, feelings, behaviors, ultimately health outcomes. The technological environment refers to external factors in technology that impact business operations. Changes in technology affect how company will do business. A business may have to dramatically change their operating strategy as a result of change in the technological environment. EDI, electronic data interchange, links together channel information system, provides real-time response enhanced by internet. Calls enhance the distribution efficiency or EDE. Accelerating technology, mobile robots, ultra wideband technology, 3D modeling, computer salespeople. The legal environment The legal environment includes the laws passed by the government as well as the decision rendered by the various commissions and agencies at every level of the government. It's important every business must function according to the law of the area in which it wishes to operate. That's all. Thank you.